Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful, super classy and gorgeous beaded Kente dress designs. You'll be seeing lots of beaded Kente gown styles that you can rock for your engagement and graduation ceremonies. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about them. Do you love to rock Kente dresses? Feel free to share with me in the comment section down below. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these beautiful styles compiled in this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestilex Omo Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you would love to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much as you consider subscribing, and I want to appreciate you all for watching this video. I will see you all in another beautiful and exciting one on the channel. Remember to stay connected always to this channel for more beautiful styles are lined up for you. Do have a lovely day and stay safe out there. Bye.